Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video for Lorcana, the first chapter. I was able to get my hands on an Illumineers Trove, which consists of one storage box, two deck boxes, 8 booster packs, and 15 damage counters, along with a player's guide. I'm excited to open this up. I've been waiting to get one of these for the past 3 weeks now, and I was able to have the chance to get one of these. I want to open it up and see what I pull. Alright, so as we open up the box, there's going to be a nice storage box that where I'm going to keep for all of my cards, along with the player's guide. It tells you all the cards and how to play with the cards, like a card of damage counters, as well as a deck box that you can put together for your decks. I have heard that they're on the tight side if they don't have a sleeve. If they have a sleeve, they're most likely not going to be fitting in those boxes. And the one thing that I'm looking forward to is opening up 8 booster packs. There's going to be 8 Lorcana booster packs. Hoping of the 8 booster packs today, we are going to pull some good cards. So we got a Elsa, a Maleficent, an Elsa, Maleficent, Mickey Mouse, Elsa, and Maleficent. I'm going to start this pack series with our Mickey Mouse pack art. Hopefully we can pull a legendary or even an enchanted card out of these. Alright, we are going to start our Illumineers Trove with our Dr. Facilier, Horus, Jasmine, Elsa, Control Your Temper, Hercules, Ursula's Cauldron, Tamatoa, Scepter of Arendelle. Maurice is our first rare. Our second rare is going to be a Dr. Facilier, and our holo is a Maleficent Sorceress. Our second pack for Mickey Mouse pack art is going to start with an Elsa, a Mickey Mouse Steamboat Pilot, a Mufasa, a Pongo, a Simba, another Simba, One Jump Ahead, Be Our Guest, Frying Pan. Our first rare is a Plasma Blaster. Our second rare is going to be a Lilo. And our holo is going to be a Wardrobe. Alright, and we're going to move on to our Maleficent pack arts. And we're going to start this one with a Freeze action card, Vicious Betrayal, Donald Duck, He's Got a Sword action card, a Pumbaa, Captain Hook, Pascal, Cheshire Cat, Belle. Our first rare for this pack is going to be a Captain Hook. And then we have a part of your world. And our holo is going to be a Moana. Nice. I did get all 3 of the starter decks. If you want to watch those videos, they are on my channel. Alright, and we have start off with our 4th pack is going to be a Tinkerbell, a Peter Pan, a Mickey Mouse, another Peter Pan, Mr. Smee, Prince Eric, Prince Philip, Olaf, Jumba Jokiba. Our first rare of this pack is going to be Maui. And we have a legendary Ursula, which is a good pull. And our holo is going to be Ariel. Alright, and moving on to our fifth pack is going to be another Maleficent. I'm not sure what the pull rates are, but I do know that enchanted cards are going to be very difficult to pull. Hopefully I can pull one out of these 8 packs. That'd be an awesome surprise. We got a Jetsam, a Genie, Develop Your Brain, Scar, Healing Glow, Beast Mirror, Chief Tui, LeFou, Ransack, and we got ourselves a Mulan, which is really nice. That's a legendary. And we have a Robin Hood, which is a really nice card, or I guess they're secret rares or super rares. And then we got ourselves a Hollow Zeus rare. That's really nice. Alright, moving on to our last pack art, which is going to be the Elsa. This is going to be our 6th pack. And we're going to start this pack off with a Maleficent, a Tinkerbell, a Magic Golden Flower, a Goofy, a Hey Hey, an Aladdin, Be Our Guest, Simba, Tigger. Our rare is going to be a LeFou. And we got ourselves a Mickey Mouse super rare, the Sorcerer. I do like this card art. And then our holo is going to be Ransack. Alright, our second to the last pack is going to be another Elsa. I'm going to start with a Tinkerbell. I think we started the last pack with a Tinkerbell. And we have a Vicious Betrayal, a Mufasa, a Boo, Timon, Tinkerbell, You Have Forgotten Me, Beast, Moana. Our first rare is going to be a Scar. And then we have a Dr. Facilier. I tend to get those two most often, and there are back-to-back. And then our holo is going to be a Simba. Alright, hoping for some last pack magic with this Elsa. We're going to start off with a Wardrobe, and an Aladdin, a Merlin, Minnie Mouse, Sebastian, Fire the Cannons, Fan the Flames, Anna, Jasper, Iago is our first rare, and we got ourselves a Mickey Mouse Artful Rogue super rare, which is really nice. I do like this card as well. And our holo, our last holo, is going to be an Aladdin. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today. Please again comment what you've pulled in your Lorcana videos, as well as subscribe to the channel as we will be posting more trading card game videos in the near future. Thank you so much.